How to review a game on Steam. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you have to launch your Steam application from your PC. Once you do so, get logged into your specific Steam account, then click onto Library. Also be noted, some games might not accept review, and in order to review a game, you have to be a user of that game. Once you click onto the game that you would like to review, you will see Activities section. If you type anything here, all your friends will be able to see it. In case you would like to leave a public review, click onto the store page of the game that you would like to leave a review. And then at this page, if you scroll below, you will be able to see the section where you can simply type in and leave a review. You can also change the language and you can also make the review private or public. If you leave it to private, only your friends will be able to see it. If you leave it to public, everybody that comes onto this page will be able to see your review. Once you're satisfied with your review, simply click on to leave review, and just like so, this is how it can be done. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.